are now outside of Hanhan Station. Turn left and you will see the bus stop terminal for the 11M bus to University of Science and Technology. So we just got off the van and it basically only took us 7 minutes to get here with the van. You can also take 91M to here if you want, but I think the van is quicker. And the starting point of today's hike is actually here. Today's hike is a really short and easy hike, and I chose this because actually in the morning it was raining a lot, and actually I had a piano lesson, so I couldn't go anywhere in the morning anyways. So when you see this Nature's Harvest sign, turn down to the stairs and keep following the stairs. This morning I found out that my mom took leave, and she also had an appointment in the morning, so we couldn't go anywhere in the morning. So that's why in the end, we chose this short hike. You can actually complete this in 2 hours. So yeah, and it's not really a hike actually. The first destination we will be able to arrive in around 10 minutes. And actually over here you will be able to see a waterfall soon. It's one of Hong Kong's highest waterfalls, and it is called the Pak Shu Wun Waterfall. And when I get there, I will film the waterfall for you. As you can see, it rained a lot this morning. Also, we kind of waited till the thunderstorm warning sign was cancelled before we got here, because actually at 3 o'clock it just got cancelled. So when it got cancelled, we literally ran out of routes. And yeah, so you can actually see the University of Science and Technology here. I'm looking out for the waterfall as well. But yeah, this morning it rained a lot, and now the sun is out again. So I'm glad it rained in the morning instead of the afternoon. I don't know if I've missed the waterfall. I didn't miss it. Also, here's a bit of a story time and some clips from my drone of the beach. Also, this is the first hike I have had after my vaccination. I actually got my vaccination on the 9th of August, and I was actually gonna go on a hike 3 days right after my vaccination, but then right before I left my home, it started raining a lot, so my friend and I canceled that hike, and we delayed it to tomorrow. And actually for the whole week it was raining after I had, actually on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday it didn't rain, but then everybody has work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday it rained, and then Monday it didn't rain, but there was thunder warning sign, so I didn't go out. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, people have to go to work, so I didn't go out again. So I managed to rest for around 9 days before I went on a hike. I said, I feel like the waterfall is here, because I can hear the water noises, but oh yeah, you can sort of see it there, but maybe there will be a clearer view later. Yeah, so there's only a bit of going up, as you can see. The Pak Shu Wun Waterfall is over. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. So this is basically one of the highest waterfalls in Hong Kong. After around a 3 minutes walk from where I last filmed, you will be able to see this beautiful view. And I took a picture here like this, and now it's basically all going downstairs. So we're basically trying to get to this beach. And actually my friend wanted to ask me to come here with him yesterday, but because yesterday I still have a book to read, and so I didn't turn on my phone. And so he ended up going here on his own. And then when I turned on my phone last night, because I went to swimming, and when I leave my home, I will turn on my phone. I saw his message, and then he made me want to come here. And yeah, and luckily my mom had leave today, so I can come here today. And actually he told me that this beach, there isn't a lot of things to do, but it's a good place for me to practice using my drone. So yeah, that's why I decided to come here today. Okay, so there's a crossway here, but there's a cross there, so I'm guessing we're going down this road. So I think this over here is the farm, but our main point today is not to go to this nature's harvest farm. It's to actually go to the beach. So yeah, be careful. It's quite slippery over here. Today is actually the 28th of August. It's a Saturday, and this morning there was a huge rain and thunderstorm. So we decided to come here when the thunderstorm warning sign was cancelled, and there are a lot more water in the waterfall this time, and my friend is gonna take us to the beach. So we are back here again. So last time we were right about going down, and if you remember, we walked past these slippery roads, but we didn't realize after we kept going, there is actually a wooden bridge on the floor, and you'll see it in a minute. It's this one I'm talking about. So to get to the beach, you have to cross over to the wood, and after a few minutes of these roads, you'll be able to see the beach. And I recommend wearing long pants for this hike as well, because as you can see, there are some roads where you will be surrounded by leaves, and if you don't want to be hit by the leaves, then remember to wear long trousers. And you will see the Pak Shu Wun beach in literally 30 seconds. We saw some people playing surfboard on the beach, so I decided to zoom in and let you guys see it. Okay, so we want to try and walk over there. Some people just walked on the water, but I don't want my socks to get wet, So we're gonna find a way to cross the bridge and cross over there. Okay, so we tried that one just now. And we saw some people coming out from here, from the bridge. So we are gonna try and walk to the bridge. And luckily I wore long shorts today. I mean long trousers. Oh, so the bridge is over there basically. Okay. So this is the farm and this is the bridge. So we're gonna take a photo here. Okay, so I'm gonna fly my drone here now. So I see this is how you see your friendship. I thought you were my best friend, but that's clearly not how you see it. You told me you were frustrated, cause you realize you've been used. But when you planning to do that to me too? Cause I've been trying to message you since the 6th of June. And I know you saw my message, but you decided not to reply. Oh, I wonder why. If we all just cared about each other a little more, this world would be a better place. Wouldn't you agree? There'd be less suicides and longer lived lives. Wouldn't that be lovely? Wouldn't that be lovely? It's funny how you're hanging out with the girl you used to bitch about. I wonder if you're bitching about me too. You're making me feel worthless, and I wish I didn't feel this way. So this beach you can see over here is actually called the campsite bay, where you can go camping. You can actually walk to this bay from the Pak Shu Wun beach, but we didn't go there today because we didn't want to go camping, so we flied our drone over there for you to see. Wouldn't that be lovely? 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 Sometimes I want to travel the world with someone, but they'll say I'm sorry, I've got no money, but I hope you'll have fun. Sure, I'll have fun, but it'll be better. Oh, actually, I think this is a good photo taking spot. Okay, so I just tried to take a photo there, but then so don't walk too far over there. So we are now walking over here because I just want to see what kind of stuff there is here. Yeah. Be careful if we're coming after raining. So this is apparently one of the photo taking spots here. Okay. So, oh, someone is filming. I also found a little pool that you can make a reflection. Just this pool over there. So I'll put some photos up on the screen now. And yeah, so I think there is a route that goes to a campsite bay over there, but it's quite late now, so we're gonna go back to find a friend. Okay, so we are now leaving this Pak Shu Wun beach. So if you enjoyed my vlog, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment something nice. And I'll see you next Sunday with another hiking vlog or music related video.